Yo, so me know me gonna laugh, me buy one whole pack of tissue to wipe the tears from me eye. Yeah man. You don't want a pack? You don't want one? Alright. See it here. Alright, we're gonna use and dry with eye tonight. If anybody cat jokes him.
For them thieving girl, you put you to bed and wake up and search your pants.
When you wake up, you don't search pants again, you know?
You're not jumping up pants and gone.
Jump in the pants and
take for yourself out of girl place. When you go on road, you don't have your money or the amount that you pay, you don't have it. That time you done paying 50 already and plus you rob you.
When a man beat a girl, it's already no cat. Man gets the money
look out for them girl there, you brother? Them knock out the road. You know what one girl do, man? Carry him up a best work in his house. And you see when the man go in, you know say, man take off clothes, man hang up on blood clot line. You know say by him pick up on a bed go for a man slap down the blood clot door with machete. Man have to took for himself that time in unpaid already. Man have to slap down house and go and bother which man this in our house.
I set up that.
Set the girl, set up the man. See you with him friend them say, come run out the whole rat the car. Take a money off for him.
Yeah, I'll give that man.
So yeah, with him.
Set up, man.
So all them things there, we have to look for brother. So when you meet a girl on road, you don't know him. You don't know nothing about him and him place. If you don't want to come at sometime, I know you're alone living a brother, so you can't carry a man on your place. No one ever man a push. So the first thing you have to go think about is in your pocket you have to go spend money. Carry him go somewhere, make him carry him friend them come here and make him rob you. But still when you go to get house with him at the hotel, you have to hide your money, brother.
I still rob your brother.
You don't know him, you don't know if one honest girl is to you or one loyal girl is to you. So you hide your money. Where you going to make him steal the money where him forget? So if him thief that blood clot, he have nothing more to forget. Yes, so make him thief him own money.
Make him thief him own money. Did I hear right? You can't him go a bush? What? OMG, but I can't with that next funny one. But anyways, sometimes you get woman bun with other person. We don't talk about stripper and buy in front now and go. You go out, you're having a good time, you have your woman in your yard and the person who you buy a drink with all night, she have vibes, you have vibes, she want to come back home with you. Or she want to bring you to fear place. Personally, I've never meet somebody and me go back to them place. No sir, I not trust them. Yeah, me a man and you know, they always say men are not trustworthy, but me always present myself as a trustworthy person. So if we're gonna have a hookup or a one night stand, which I don't like, you coming back to my place. I don't know you. I'm not coming into your house. Then what happened to this man? Somebody come knock door and a machete over there. So a gun. No, sir, I'm not doing it. You come into my place. And FYI, I'm single, so you know, like yeah.
With money at 2 pockets.
Yeah man, you have to set them up to you, because them a try to set you up to you. So you go with him, you not pay for no you go service him in a bed and something. When you done you pay him, but you left the money where you can't see.
So yeah, you have to give money for still, no?
Yeah, that we just talk about, you know. Some of them tell us they want the money first.
Yeah, but not every man you can't tell that.
The one that feels like my TV, you know, brother.
Me pay for the room already, so I'm supposed to can't spend me pay you. So where you tell yourself, so you want to collect my money for? No, you can't collect after me get what I want. When me go shopping, or when me get the goods, me give the shopkeeper my money.
Yes, you give money first.
Yeah. Because you can't just go in a shop and pay for your money. So you get your goods and then you pay. Shopkeeper tell you how much this come to. Yes, and if you tell him, say take the change and take this as a tip.
Yeah,
no, sorry, go brother. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. So you know, make a girl come tell you, say, him have to collect before you. It's up to you if you want to pay first.
Buy me, I buy
you yourself. So if me not get nothing to buy, me not go pay. Where me I got pay for? Where me I get yet?
All we work as before you get paid.
So tell me about the girl now. Come up yard now.
Alright, we're not gonna stop the video again. We gotta make it run. What I just had to say, Barakat is the biggest professional front buyer I've ever seen. The man know all the tricks in the book about buying front, what to do from what not to do. The man is even making comparison in regards to going to the shop and making purchases. To buying front. You order your stuff, the shopkeeper say, hey, it's $25,000. Then you pay after you get your stuff. So, you should not be paying up front for front. Me learn something new today. Front buying expert, Barakat.
The girl will rob me. I'm gonna chain him teeth. Carry him in my yard, put him to sleep. Walk girl gone to work. Left me chain, watch and with thing I one place, hang up in house. When me ready for me stash, then me I go road. Drop the chain.
You don't see no chain. It's fat.
Me take talk a phone and call girl. When me chain ready then up in that car, him no see. So me I tell him, say, yeah, me know, nobody else now come on my place. And if nobody even come, let them not trouble nothing. Where did they? And me and you alone have the access to my place. Where me chain? Him a go tell me, say, I borrow him, did borrow it. Let me say then I borrow something go so. When me I go borrow something from you, me not tell you, say, that's what me I go on the back, so you have to borrow. And yes, well, anyway, say, you can't get it for borrow. No such things borrow, brother. Oh, you can borrow me things back on me. That's a thief. So certain girl, you know, carry your place. Because when you turn your back, so you're gone all a shop. You search down the whole of your house. In everywhere your business there, you understand? In search all pants were clean and wash. You don't believe? Oh, him hide your lotion, him throat, this, him thief every blood clot. Cause I just thieving girl. You understand, brother? Remember me tell you, so when him gone now, and you're ready for something, we go use. You go find somebody. This never done, and you understand? You consider for the nose something missing. Nothing on the thieving blood clot girl where you left your body, you go down a shop. And come back, the girl get time for thief, you sit them back up. And gone with them, gone and female. I'm not to look out for them, brother. Yeah, man. I'm not to look out for them, brother, and prepare for broke some of them and two in your pocket. Yeah, man. Them come and dance and them wine pan you, but at the same time, them man are going in your pocket.
Yeah.
So you have to look for all of them something that to brother.
Girl skill something, a man skill something.
Then a girl teach me then something there, brother. When me left Yangar Road a Friday night, Saturday night time, I will take me them among some wally thieving girl. You come there with your money and see if you're not dead.
Uptown there.
Alright, unless you come check a legend like me when me tell you say. No bother with them there, brother. If you want some me call one of them and send him go sell you something. Yeah, but you not go in there so with them. Kill them or kill you in that blood clot. You must left dead. You think a little man me see come a ball to me a morning time. Then they go in there so with excess amount of money. And him not do nothing more than just buy them girl to drink. And when him ready him not have no money, me say you're wrong. When you go shop, brother, you just go buy. So if you feel like say that girl you sell you some good and he want a drink, you treat him to a drink after you get what you want, but how you figure a bar go and buy everybody in the bar a drink. And when you're ready for your money though. Nobody know nothing with you, you know, brother. Everybody a step well left, you know, cause you don't have the money. Where you at? Nobody know nothing with you, brother. You have to go buy first, brother, that you come out. Hey, that you come out, man.
Listen, if we should ever visit a strip club again, I'm going with Barakat because Barakat know every trick in our book. Barakat will direct you who to get lap dance from and who to buy drink and everything. Listen, me not have to talk no talking. I don't hear everything a while ago. just like the video for me and share the video, subscribe, click the notification bell, and as always, stay safe. God bless.